Hey everyone, welcome to Code Harmony. Today we are going to solve LeetCode problem ID 2206. Divide array into equal pairs. This problem is based out on hash table concept and it has been asked in Microsoft. Also it is marked as easy, so it's a good beginner friendly problem. Now let's have a look on the problem statement. Here we are given an integer array nums containing 2 into n integers. And you need to divide nums into n pairs such that these two conditions are satisfied. First one is each element belongs to exactly one pair. There should not be any repetition. Second one is the elements present in a pair are equal. These two conditions we have to keep in mind when we are dividing 2 into n size integer array into n pairs. In the end, we just have to return true if that is possible, otherwise return false. Okay, and these are the constraints. Now let's try to understand using an example. Here we are given a nums array with elements 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 2. These are 2 into n in number, and we have to divide this integer array into n pairs. 2 into n, which is 6, so n is equal to 3. So 3 pair we have to extract out from this array. And every element should be used exactly once. So in these pairs, let's try to form the pairs. First of all, let's say if I pick 2, I'm picking 2, I'm placing it here. And then if I pick 3, 3 can only be added into a pair or set of 2 where it's already 3. In this first set, I cannot place 3 because every element should be equal. So I definitely have to place 3 at this position. 2 I can place here. Now this pair is complete. And 3 I can place here. This pair is also complete. This 2 I can place here. This 2 I can place here. Now this is also complete. We are able to divide this 2 into n size array into n pairs where all the elements both the elements in the pair are equal. In this case, we have to return true from our function. We don't really have to create those pairs. If you don't want to create the pairs, then it is also fine. Everything we have to return is true or false. So this boolean flag is more important. Now if I try to run over this example, here the size of the array is 2 into n. Definitely it will be even. And we have to divide into n pairs. 2 into n is equal to 4. So n is equal to 2. 2 pairs we are going to use, and every pair we are going to have same number of elements. Same value of elements. 1 I am picking 1, placing it here. 1 I am picking, I can place here so that this pair is complete. 2 I can place here, and 3 I can't place here, and there is no space for a fresh pair. So in this case we have to return false. So this is our problem statement, and these are the examples. Here what approach we are going to have is, see, if you try to have a look, we are going to have n number of pairs, and every pair is going to have 2 elements. Those 2 elements should be same in number. Let's say it is A, then second element should also be A. So if we are picking, every time we are picking a value, we are picking in a pair or picking in 2. So if let's say I am having a list of all the unique values and how many times those values are coming inside the array. If I try to figure out that 2 is coming 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and 3 is coming 2 times, I can use this value to form these pairs. Not just directly form this pair, but yeah, every time if I am forming a pair, let's say if I am forming a pair, I am going to pick 2 times, and then again 2 times. So this value should be even. Why? Because this value should be divisible by 2. so that I can have complete pairs. No half pair is there. 3 is coming 2 times, so yeah, 1 pair I can form from here, 2 pair I can form from here. So what idea did we get is just capturing the frequency of every single element. If I capture the frequency in this example, 1 is coming 2 times, 2 is coming 1 time, 3 is coming 1 time. Here element 2 is having odd number of frequency. It means we can't have complete pairs. So this is not a valid array given to us. So in that case we are going to return false. Let's try to prepare a pseudo code for this approach. First of all, we have to have an object map. Whatever language you are going to use, you just choose how you have to implement map. Map is like a collection of key value pairs, where we can access any key in order of 1 time and add any value in order of 1 time. All the operations are constant, almost constant. After that, we can have a loop on our given array from index 0 to I less than equal to n minus 1. Every element we have to pick. And then what I can do is map dot put. What is the key? Key is current element. And what is the value? Map dot get or default. Get the value if it is already present, otherwise start from 0 and then plus 1. So this line we can use to create our map. So what this is going to do is, this is going to add another entry in the hash table. Let's say the first element is 1, 1, 2, 3. First element is 1. So 1 is already not present. So default value for this key will be considered 0. So 0 plus 1, 1 is coming 1 time. And after that, in the next iteration, 1 will be 2 time. And then 2 will be 1 time. 3 will be 1 time. So the step 1 is complete. This is the step 1, that is capturing the frequency. And the second one is step 2, to check whether every frequency is even or not. Every frequency is even. That is our requirement. Only in that case we will be able to divide the array into n pairs, where both the elements in the pair are same. So for that, what I can do is I can iterate over key set. Key map dot key set. So over the key set I'm going to iterate, and after that I will check if map dot get key. If value of any key modulus 2 is equal to 1, it means that is odd. If that is odd, return false directly. No need to check further. Otherwise, return true. So that is our second step. So in 2 steps we can form, or we can complete this example. First of all, capture the frequency. Second one, check if all frequency are even. Or you can say check for odd frequency. If any odd frequency is encountered, you just close everything. So capturing frequency is order of n time, because we have to iterate over each and every element from the array and insert in the map. Inserting in the map is a constant operation. So only iterating over the array is going to take some time. The second part is check if all the frequencies are even. So this will also be in the worst case. We'll go till order of n. Every element should come twice, so at least n by 2 it might go. So let's just generalize it and do it in order of n. So overall time complexity of our approach is order of n, and about the space complexity we are taking a hash map, so that will cost us order of n time. So this is the time and space complexity for approach. Now let's write the code. First of all, I will be creating a map of integer and integer, new hash map, and this map is going to capture the frequency. I'm going to use for each loop. Map dot put, this number is definitely going to be my key. map dot get or default this number. If the value is not present, consider 0 and just increment the value. Now the frequency is captured and I will be iterating over key set. Map dot key set. If map dot get key, the value is odd. If value is odd, in that case we can't use all the elements from that value of that key in our pairs. So directly return false out from here. Otherwise in the end we can return true. So that will be my code. Let me directly submit it. It got submitted successfully. I hope you understood the approach, and it's a good beginner friendly problem. Just get started with a hash map concept and with this easy problem. Thank you guys. Bye bye.